Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change language in Instagram. Friends, in Instagram all the menu and settings by default come in English language. So to change language you simply need to press on profile icon. Now here you need to press on these three lines. Now here press on settings. Now in settings press on account. Now here you will find language. Press on it. Now here English language is selected by default, but you can change it to any language as per your preference. I will select Hindi language. Now friends, as you can see, now all the options will come in Hindi language. So friends, here you can see all the menu etc. is now coming in Hindi language. So friends, like this you can very easily use Instagram in any language. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.